Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rearranging. Get the inequality into y equals mx plus b so you know slope and intercept. First, move terms to isolate y. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, make sure to flip the inequality sign. Once you have m and b, plot the intercept point. Then use the slope to mark a second point. This sets the foundation for accurate graphing. Proceed now to decide the boundary style and shading direction. Now draw the boundary line. Choose dashed for strict inequalities and solid for inclusive ones because that tells whether boundary points count. Once done, pick a simple test point not on the line 0, 0 is usually easiest, and substitute it into the original inequality to see if it holds. If it does, shade the side containing that point. If it does not, shade the opposite side. This confirms direction and prevents common shading mistakes. Finish by clearly labeling the boundary with its equation and marking the shaded region so anyone can read your graph. Then double-check your work by testing one more point on the shaded side to confirm the inequality holds there. This catches subtle errors. If the shaded region seems wrong, make sure you flip the sign when multiplying or dividing by a negative and that your test point was not on the line. Correct those, then redraw the boundary if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.